If you are over 60 and you have noticed that your arms look a little thinner than they used to, your legs feel weaker when you climb stairs, your grip is not as strong when you open a jar, or you simply feel that your body is not quite as sturdy as it once was, I want you to listen very carefully. Because what you are experiencing is not just aging. It is a real, medically recognized condition called sarcopenia, the slow, silent loss of muscle mass and strength that begins after the age of 40 and quietly accelerates after 60. And here is the part most people are never told. You are not powerless against it. In fact, with the right foods and a little gentle movement, you can slow it down, stop it, and in many cases begin to rebuild the muscle you have already lost. Stay with me until the end, because the 8th food on this list is the one that surprises people the most. It is inexpensive, easy to eat, and probably already in your kitchen, yet almost no one thinks of it as a muscle-building food. Understanding these 8 foods and how to bring them into your daily meals could gently change how strong you feel, how well you walk, and how confidently you move through the years ahead. Now, why does muscle matter so much once you cross the age of 60? Here is the truth many people are never told. Muscle is not just about looking fit or lifting heavy things. Muscle is one of the most important organs of healthy aging. It supports your balance so you are less likely to fall. It protects your bones because strong muscles pull on bones and tell them to stay strong. It helps regulate your blood sugar because muscles are the biggest storage site for glucose in your body. It supports your immune system, your metabolism, your posture, and your independence. Research has shown that after the age of 30, most adults lose about 3 to 8% of their muscle mass per decade, and this loss accelerates sharply after 60. By the age of 80, some seniors have lost nearly half of the muscle they had in their prime. This is why so many older adults quietly begin to struggle with everyday tasks. Rising from a chair, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, getting up from the floor. These are not simply signs of aging. They are signs of muscle loss, and much of that loss can be prevented or reversed. Think of your muscles like the beams and pillars of a beloved family home. When they are strong and well-maintained, the whole house stands tall and safe for decades. But when the beams weaken, the walls sag, the floors creak, and eventually the structure becomes fragile. Your muscles are the beams of your body. And the good news is that unlike wooden beams, living muscle can be rebuilt at almost any age with the right raw materials. And what are those raw materials? Above all, protein. Older adults need more protein per pound of body weight than younger adults, not less. Many seniors quietly eat too little protein, especially at breakfast, and this alone is one of the biggest reasons muscle slips away over the years. Combined with gentle resistance movement, such as light weights, resistance bands, or simple bodyweight exercises, the right protein-rich foods can send a powerful signal to your body to build and repair muscle tissue. Let us walk through the 8 best foods to do exactly that. Let us begin with the first food, eggs. If you can safely eat eggs, they deserve a place on your table almost every day. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources on Earth. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body cannot make on its own. And they are especially rich in leucine, the single most important amino acid for triggering muscle growth and repair in older adults. Just 2 whole eggs deliver about 12 to 14 grams of high-quality protein, along with vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats. For many seniors, starting the day with 2 eggs, scrambled with vegetables and cooked in olive oil, is one of the most powerful anti-sarcopenia habits available. If your doctor has advised you to limit egg yolks due to cholesterol or other concerns, please follow that guidance and consider using 1 whole egg with 2 extra whites to keep your protein high. The second food is fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish give you 2 beautiful gifts in one. First, they provide about 20 to 25 grams of high-quality protein per serving. Second, They deliver long-chain omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA, which research now suggests may directly help older adults build and preserve muscle. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation can increase the muscle-building response to protein and exercise in adults over 65, an effect that appears to grow stronger with age. Fatty fish also fights the chronic low-grade inflammation that quietly breaks down muscle tissue in older adults. 2 to 3 servings of salmon, sardines, or mackerel per week is a lovely target. A small tin of sardines on whole grain toast, a piece of baked salmon with vegetables, or salmon flaked into a salad can quickly become a favorite muscle-supporting meal. The third food is Greek yogurt, plain and unsweetened. Regular yogurt is nourishing, but Greek yogurt is strained, which concentrates the protein. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt can provide 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, along with calcium for your bones, probiotics for your gut, and a slow-digesting protein called casein that continues to feed your muscles for hours after you eat it. This makes Greek yogurt an especially beautiful evening food because it provides your muscles with a gentle, steady supply of amino acids during the overnight hours when your body does much of its repair work. Top it with berries, a spoonful of ground flax, and a few chopped walnuts, and you have a simple, delicious muscle-supporting snack. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties whenever possible because flavored yogurts often contain as much sugar as a dessert. The fourth food is chicken and turkey, especially the leaner cuts. A modest 4-ounce serving of chicken breast provides around 30 to 35 grams of high-quality protein, with very little fat. Turkey offers a similar profile. Both are rich in leucine and other amino acids essential for muscle repair, along with B vitamins that support energy production in the muscle cells themselves. For older adults, chicken and turkey are also gentle on digestion and easy to chew, which matters as we age. A simple roasted chicken breast, a turkey chili made with beans and vegetables, or a bowl of chicken soup with plenty of vegetables and a small portion of noodles can become a warm, comforting, muscle-friendly meal. Choose fresh cuts whenever possible, and try to limit heavily processed deli meats, sausages, and hot dogs, which often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. The fifth food is beans and lentils. If you are looking for a plant-based way to protect your muscles, beans and lentils are among the best foods available. A single cup of cooked lentils provides around 18 grams of protein, along with fiber, iron, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Black beans, chickpeas, cannellini beans, and kidney beans all offer similar benefits. Beans and lentils also gently help stabilize blood sugar, support gut health, and reduce inflammation, all of which indirectly protect muscle tissue. For seniors who cannot or prefer not to eat large amounts of animal protein, combining beans with whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, or true whole grain bread creates a complete protein profile that supports muscle beautifully. Aim for 3 to 4 servings of beans or lentils per week, and if your digestion is sensitive, start with small portions and increase gradually. The sixth food is cottage cheese. This is one of the most overlooked muscle foods for older adults, yet it is remarkable. A single cup of low-fat cottage cheese can provide around 25 grams of protein, most of it in the form of casein, the same slow-digesting protein found in Greek yogurt. This makes cottage cheese another excellent evening food, gently feeding your muscles through the night. Cottage cheese is also easy to chew, easy to digest, and versatile. Enjoy it with fresh berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir it into scrambled eggs. Serve it with sliced tomatoes and a little black pepper. Or add a spoonful to soups and stews for a creamy, protein-rich boost. Choose lower sodium varieties when possible, especially if you are watching your blood pressure. The seventh food is nuts and seeds, especially almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. While nuts and seeds are not as protein-dense as animal foods, they provide a valuable combination of plant protein, healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants that support muscle health, bone strength, and recovery from movement. Magnesium in particular plays a role in muscle contraction and relaxation, and many older adults are quietly low in this mineral. A small daily handful of mixed nuts and seeds sprinkled on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, or eaten as a small afternoon snack can be a beautiful supporting habit. Choose them raw or dry roasted, and always unsalted when possible. Imagine a 70-year-old man named Frank who had lost weight and strength after a difficult year. His doctor suggested a simple change. Add 2 eggs at breakfast, a cup of Greek yogurt in the afternoon, a handful of almonds and walnuts as a snack, and a serving of salmon or chicken at dinner. Within 3 months, paired with gentle resistance exercises twice a week, his strength returned, his balance improved, and he felt like himself again. And now we come to the 8th food, the one that surprises people the most. Milk. Yes, plain, ordinary cow's milk, sitting in most refrigerators around the world. For decades, milk was recommended mainly for children and for bone health. But researchers now understand that milk may be one of the most powerful muscle-building drinks available to older adults. A single cup of whole or 2% milk provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein in the form of both whey and casein, which is a perfect combination for muscle repair. Whey provides a fast burst of amino acids that stimulates immediate muscle protein synthesis, while casein provides a slow, steady release that continues for hours. Milk also delivers calcium, vitamin D if fortified, potassium, and phosphorus, all of which support strong bones and healthy muscle contraction. A small glass of milk after a walk, a light resistance session, or any physical activity can meaningfully support muscle recovery. If you are lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk offers the same protein and mineral benefits. If you prefer plant milks, look for unsweetened varieties specifically labeled as high protein, such as pea protein or soy protein milks, because most plant milks contain very little protein compared to dairy milk. If you have kidney disease or are on a fluid or phosphorus restriction, please check with your doctor about the right amount for you. So how should you bring these 8 foods together for the best muscle support after 60? Think of protein as something you spread across the day, not something you eat only at dinner. Aim for roughly 20 to 30 grams of protein at each of your 3 main meals, which for most seniors totals somewhere between 70 and 100 grams of protein per day, adjusted for your body size, kidney function, and doctor's guidance. A simple day might look like this. Breakfast, 2 eggs with vegetables and a small glass of milk. Lunch, a salad with grilled chicken, beans, olive oil, and a handful of nuts. Snack, plain Greek yogurt with berries. Dinner, salmon or sardines with roasted vegetables and a small portion of whole grains. Evening, a small bowl of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt if you feel hungry. There are also a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not skip breakfast or eat only toast and coffee. Breakfast is one of the most important muscle meals of the day. Another mistake is relying only on protein bars, powders, and shakes. These can be helpful when needed, but real, whole foods offer a much richer package of nutrients. And do not forget movement. Food gives your muscles the raw materials. Movement gives them the reason to grow. Gentle resistance exercises, such as light dumbbells, resistance bands, wall push-ups, chair squats, or even carrying grocery bags mindfully, tell your body to build muscle rather than lose it. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, with the guidance of a physical therapist or trainer if you are new to exercise. And please remember this. If you have kidney disease, are on dialysis, take medications, or have digestive issues, please speak with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making bigger changes to your protein intake. Food is powerful, but it works best alongside good medical care, not instead of it. The key takeaway is simple. After 60, your muscles are not asking for perfection. They are asking for protein, patience, and gentle movement. Eggs, fatty fish, Greek yogurt, chicken and turkey, beans and lentils, cottage cheese, nuts and seeds, and milk form a beautiful, powerful, everyday foundation that supports the strength, balance, and independence that mean everything as we age. If this message spoke to you, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 8 foods do you already eat regularly? Have you noticed a difference in your strength when your diet changes? And where in the world are you watching from today? Your story might be exactly what another viewer needs to read. Take care of your muscles. Honor the strong, faithful body that has carried you all these years. And remember, small daily choices, repeated with love and patience, are what truly shape a long, strong, and independent life.